What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. Been waiting for this for so long. After months of research, I finally pulled the trigger. Here they are. So here's the other lens that I actually picked up. It was FE 50mm f1.8 for portrait pictures, and nice, clean. This is actually really good. And same thing, shoot cap, and yeah, I'll show it to you guys later, but I'll just open it so you guys can see it. That's the macro lens for some pictures. Hey guys, so this is another lens that I got. It's actually a Sony E1018 f4 OSS for the vlogging, and let me show you guys. Here we go. Oh, it's really nice material, really good, and I love when I see the cap with it. It's amazing. I saw it, some people use it, so let's put it on so you can see it. That's the inside. It's really nice, more for vlogging, for day-to-day adventure. There you go. Yo guys, so yeah, this one's pretty smooth, pretty nice. I like it, and we'll put it to test. And here is the grand finale. This is actually a Sony A64. It took me a while to make a decision. What do I want? And this one really stands out. And because of all the features that it has in there, and then I did all my research. What I like the most about this one is if you vlog, it actually takes a long time. There's no limit on it. Some of the like 6100 and 63 or 65, they have limit on it, and this one is unlimited, and they fix the overheating. It comes with belt strap. I don't know who else uses that. USB, the battery, eyepiece, and USB charger. Really nice camera, and there's actually I got this one for flip screen, so you can actually do that, and you can see it when you vlog, and it's touchscreen, so pretty amazing. This is nice. Whew. Really well put together. It's really good. Love it. Love it. And there you have it guys. We have unboxed the long-awaited Sony A6400 wide-angle lens and the portrait lens. Thank you very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.